on the screen is my Drive account for my Google account, and as you can see, organizing it is very important. The way I organize it is in folders, and then from those folders are subfolders, and I think it's very important just so you can efficiently find your documents you need and in a timely manner. So if you look from my high school folder, obviously I have them into subfolders from classes like anatomy, AP Environmental Science, College Prep, English, Spanish, and photos. And if you click one of those, you are then given my document from that class. And then if you go back to my Drive, I also have made one for Purdue as well. And then if you hit Purdue, I have mine set up into my two classes I've used Google Drive for so far, and that is English and EDCI 270. If you click EDCI 270, I have then made another subfolder for badges and course themes, and if you click that, you are then given your Google Docs for my badges from the tool badges as well. And then to create a new file or document in a specific folder, you have to first make sure you are in that folder, and then hit New, go to Google Docs, and then it will create your new thing. And then you can make a new document like this. New document. And then it's saving. And once it's saved, you can then go back to your badges, and there is your new document right there, popped up into your specific folder for whatever class that may be. And now how to share it is you click your new document, and how to share is you go up to the share up here in the right hand corner, click it, and then you can either share with people by the username, or you can get a link and share the link as well. And when you share it, you have the option to click as anyone with the link can view it, anyone with the link can comment, or anyone with the link can edit as well. So then you can click whichever one you need. And that is how you share a Google document.